On August 24, 2005, the National Weather Service, NWS, issued several severe warnings about the danger posed by Hurricane Katrina. They advised residents in coastal areas to prepare for evacuation, emphasizing that this was a storm capable of causing significant damage and life-threatening conditions. These warnings were widely communicated through the media and local agencies to ensure that people could prepare and evacuate in a timely manner before Hurricane Katrina made landfall. 322 kilometers southeast of the Bahamas, the tropical storm named Katrina began to form rapidly, sending a threat to the existing peace of the United States. After moving into southern Florida, causing minor flooding, widespread power outages, and resulting in 12 deaths, by August 28th, Katrina unexpectedly intensified into a super cyclone in the Atlantic and became a Category 5 hurricane on the Saffir-Simpson scale, with wind gusts reaching up to 280 km/h. It then shifted direction northward, heading straight toward the coast of Louisiana, United States. This was when the storm began its devastation, spreading terror across 5 states along the Gulf of Mexico. 36 tornadoes continuously struck, causing one of the most catastrophic natural disasters in U.S. history. The most severe damage was inflicted on the state of Louisiana, where approximately 1,300 people lost their lives, most of them African Americans and poor residents living in slums. The city of New Orleans, the capital of Louisiana, was nearly submerged by storm surges and rising seawater. Nearly 80% of the city was flooded. In areas where the storm passed, many homes were completely destroyed. Cars were swept away by floodwaters or tossed by the wind, and countless large trees were uprooted or knocked over. Many local residents climbed onto rooftops amidst the vast sea of water, waiting to be rescued. Not stopping there, the tornadoes within Hurricane Katrina devastated over 1.3 million acres of forest in Mississippi, destroyed 30 oil rigs and 9 refineries. The U.S. forestry industry suffered $5 billion in damages, leaving thousands of residents unemployed after the storm. With total damages reaching $125 billion, Katrina officially became the costliest hurricane of all time.